Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, we're going to take a look at Clearscope. Now, Clearscope is an AI-based tool that the content team at FEG uses to basically ensure that we have the appropriate secondary keywords added in to any given piece that we're working on. Now, the way Clearscope works is that it utilizes machine learning to refer to a broad range of competing articles and basically looks at the keyword placement in those and then suggests the correct terms which the writers can then add in naturally. We're first going to take a really quick look at an article that we have here, which we would need to run through Clearscope. Now, this is an actual client piece that we've done. The first step is, of course, you just copy over the text. You bring that into Clearscope here, and you add in one of the primary keywords. Now, for us, one of those is film fabrication processes. So you just go in and type that keyword in here, and just wait for Clearscope basically to do its thing while it's analyzing competitor content for that particular keyword. Now, once this is done, you will get a user interface with a basic text editor and some ratings. You can see those ratings here. Let's just wait a moment for that to get ready. So now you have essentially your blank text editor here. You just need to copy in the article text. And interestingly enough, we are already at a B minus. Now, as part of this grade here, essentially tells you how many secondary keywords out of the typical keywords in the top ranked pages for the search result, how many of those are actually included here. Now, the goal isn't to use Clearscope to stuff your article with keywords in a unnatural way. It's rather to go through this and to slowly improve this rating to around a B plus to an A minus by adding in the right terms where it makes sense for them to be added in. So for example, everywhere here you're seeing these highlighted terms, for example, foam products, foam components. Here it says that in typical pieces that are related to this keyword, the term foam fabrication shows up around 2 to 6 times. And we actually have that slightly more. And so we have that in a heading as well, which is mentioned here. Then what you basically go and do is that there are these additional missing pieces here where you can go in and just think about like where would the term types of foam make sense in this piece. So if you look through here, you can see that maybe is suitable for producing foam products with intricate and complex shapes. Now we already have around 9 mentions of foam products. So you could arguably replace this with types of foam, and you then get 1 mention of types of foam in there, which slightly improves the rating. And you just have to repeatedly do this process. But again, please keep in mind in a natural way so that you have enough keywords inserted to hit that A minus rating. This is about it as far as the Clearscope process is concerned. Whenever we deliver articles, we usually make sure that these highlighted terms are there so that both the writers and clients are aware of what secondary keywords go in to the articles. And that's pretty much about it. This is a powerful but also very easy to use tool that you can utilize to ensure that secondary keyword placement is happening in your pieces.